Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to properly clean out the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy S10 phone step by step. For this, we need a brush like this one with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you might scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to first soften the dirt so it comes out, and then so it evaporates without leaving any trace. You can buy this brush and this diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure, as I said, that it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. You always need to turn off your phone before performing this operation. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. You could end up damaging it. Once it's turned off, slide it to the side so you have easy access. Thoroughly dampen the bristles of the toothbrush with isopropyl rubbing alcohol. If you don't happen to have a diffuser, you can just carefully dip the brush directly in the alcohol. Hold it in place with your fingers. The speaker is located here, on the edge between the frame and the front glass. Simply, with a steady motion in one direction, clean it. Make 10 or 15 strokes in one direction. Don't go back and forth like this, because otherwise you'll just move it around instead of getting it out of the speaker opening. Only use a steady motion in one direction. 10 or 15 times, then in the other direction, 10 or 15 times, always with a steady motion. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction to make sure it's perfectly clean. Unless you see that it was only a little dirty, then doing it once is enough. But to make it perfectly clean, doing it 2 or 3 times in each direction will make it spotless. After the procedure, leave the phone for about 10 or 15 minutes so the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate. You can then turn on your phone and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.